Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to navigate YouTube TV. YouTube TV is a live streaming service that offers access to a wide range of TV channels and on-demand content. To get started, you will need to sign up for a YouTube TV account and download the app on your device. First, let's explore the home screen. The home screen is where you will find personalized recommendations based on your viewing history and preferences. You can browse through the various sections, including the Live tab, which displays a list of channels that are currently live, and the Library tab, which stores all the shows and movies you have recorded. To watch live TV, simply select the Live tab and choose a channel from the list. You can also use the search function to find a specific channel or show. If you want to record a show, click on the plus icon next to the show title and it will be added to your library. The Library tab is where you can access all your recorded shows and movies. You can browse through the list of recordings, delete recordings you no longer want, and even set up automatic recordings for your favorite shows. YouTube TV also offers a range of features, including a cloud DVR with unlimited storage, allowing you to record as many shows as you want without running out of space. You can also stream on up to 3 devices at the same time, making it easy to watch your favorite shows with family and friends. To access settings and manage your account, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you can adjust your settings, manage your account, and access the Help Center. Finally, let's talk about some best practices for navigating YouTube TV. To get the most out of the service, make sure to regularly check the Live tab for new and upcoming shows, and use the search function to discover new content. You can also use the filter function to narrow down your search results and find exactly what you are looking for. By following these steps and tips, you can easily navigate YouTube TV and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies today. With its user-friendly interface and range of features, YouTube TV is a great option for anyone looking for a live streaming service that is easy to use and offers a wide range of content.